Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, thin hair. If you've been struggling to add volume and style to your locks, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through some of the best haircuts for thin hair that not only boost volume but give you a fresh, modern look. Whether you're a fan of short and chic cuts or you prefer something longer and layered, we've got a style for everyone. So stick around to discover the perfect cut to give your hair that thicker, fuller appearance. When it comes to thin hair, choosing the right haircut is key to achieving a stylish, voluminous look. Whether you opt for a bob, a lob, or a layered cut, the right style can completely transform your appearance. The best part, modern cuts make it easy to incorporate volume without spending hours in front of the mirror. Before we dive into the specific styles, let's talk about products. Stock up on volumizing sprays, blowout creams, and a lightweight mousse to help create lift and hold. These products will become your go-to for adding texture and body. And don't forget your tools. A blow-dryer, round brush, straightener, and curling iron are essential for finishing touches. Now, let's explore some of the best haircuts for thin hair. One popular option is the wavy bob with layers. This cut creates the illusion of thicker hair by adding texture and dimension. The waves help the strands lay on top of each other in a way that builds volume naturally, while the layers give it a bouncy, full appearance. Want to amp it up even more? Try adding some subtle highlights. This will further enhance depth and give your hair a sun-kissed look. Next up, we have the shattered collarbone bob. This trendy cut is perfect if you're looking for a slightly edgy style. The shattered, choppy ends give your hair texture, while light layers closer to the edges add body. It's perfect for those who love a bit of controlled chaos in their look. Pair it with side curtain bangs, and you've got the ultimate cool girl hairstyle. This cut works well on all face shapes and is perfect for adding volume without sacrificing style. For those who want something a little more polished but still modern, the layered aligned bob is a fantastic option. This cut features choppy ends and is usually paired with balayage, a hair coloring technique that enhances dimension. The beauty of this cut is that it gives thin hair a dense, voluminous appearance while remaining trendy and sophisticated. It's a great choice for those who want to maintain some length while adding that extra boost of volume. Plus, it's versatile. Style it sleek for a professional look or tousle it for a more casual, laid-back vibe. Another popular cut for thin hair is the choppy bob with highlights. This cut is all about movement and texture. The secret to making this cut work is precision, choppy layers, carefully placed highlights, and some strategic teasing. To style, start by teasing the roots with a fine-tooth rat tail comb, focusing on the crown of your head. Then, run your fingers through your hair to create that effortlessly messy look. Finish with a light hold hairspray to keep everything in place while maintaining that flexible, bouncy movement. For those looking for something a bit more classic, the stacked bob is a perfect choice. This timeless cut is all about creating volume at the crown by layering the hair at the back, with the shortest pieces at the nape of the neck. This instantly gives the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. The stacked bob is easy to maintain and looks great from all angles, making it a favorite for anyone with thin hair looking to add a little drama to their everyday style. If you prefer longer styles, the long aligned bob could be your new go-to. Layers aren't for everyone, and that's where the long aligned bob comes in. This cut is single length but still manages to add volume and depth thanks to the sharp, angled cut. It's sleek, modern, and requires minimal maintenance. What's more, it grows out beautifully, so you won't have to make frequent trips to the salon. It's a perfect option for those who want to keep their length but still crave a fuller, thicker appearance. Now, if you want a carefree, effortlessly chic look, the disheveled lob is for you. The lob is a trendy cut that sits just above the shoulders, making it an ideal length for anyone who wants a balance between short and long hair. By adding some choppy layers, you create the perfect messy, undone look that's oh so stylish. It's the ultimate I woke up like this vibe without actually rolling out of bed. Pair it with some texturizing spray or lightweight mousse, and you're good to go. The best part about these haircuts is how easily they can be styled for any occasion. You can go from sleek and polished for work to tousled and playful for a night out with just a few tweaks. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styling products and tools to find what works best for you. A little teasing, a bit of curling, and the right product can take your look from flat to fabulous in no time. Let's talk a bit more about how to maintain these cuts. Thin hair tends to lose volume throughout the day, so it's important to start with the right foundation. Begin with a volumizing shampoo and conditioner to give your hair a little lift right from the start. After that, use a root lifting spray while your hair is still damp, and blow dry with a round brush for extra height at the roots. If you want to add waves or curls, use a curling iron or wand and gently brush them out for a softer look. And for those days when you don't have time for a full styling session, dry shampoo can be your best friend. Not only does it absorb oil, but it also adds texture and volume, making your hair look fresh and full. And don't forget about accessories. Clips, pins, and headbands are making a huge comeback and can be a fun way to add some flair to your look. For example, adding a clip to one side of your bob can instantly elevate your style while keeping it playful and trendy. Hair accessories are a great way to switch up your look without making any drastic changes to your cut. No matter which cut you choose, the most important thing is to find what works for you and makes you feel confident. Thin hair can be tricky to manage, but with the right haircut, styling techniques, and a little creativity, you can achieve a look that's full of volume and personality. Whether you go for a short bob or keep your hair longer, there's a perfect style out there that will enhance your thin hair and leave you feeling fabulous. That's it for today, everyone. We hope this video helped you find some inspiration for your next haircut. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know which hairstyle you're most excited to try, or share your own tips for adding volume to thin hair. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.